What is vocational industry placement, or VIP? At Envirotech Education, learning goes beyond the classroom. That's why we've developed the Vocational Industry Professional Placement, or the VIP program. So what exactly is VIP? VIP is a mandatory vocational placement program designed to enrich your studies with real-world industry experience. Over 40 weeks, you'll commit 16 hours per week, either face-to-face, online, or a mix of both. You'll be matched with an industry vocational placement host, giving you the chance to apply what you've learned in a professional environment. The goals are simple. Develop your skills through hands-on practice, build powerful networks in your industry, and boost your job readiness, giving you a real edge in the job market. We provide default hosts to help you seamlessly transition into the professional world. At the same time, you have the flexibility to nominate your own host, such as a current or prospective employer. This ensures your VIP placement is tailored to your individual career goals and interests. If you would like to learn more, you can browse through our VIP frequently asked questions on the marketing materials page.